All right guys, welcome to this new video. Guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you exactly how to withdraw your PayPal funds. Okay, so if you want to do arbitrage, you want to know how you can make money just by withdrawing your PayPal funds. Let's say you work on freelancing site, or you want to go through a business model called PayPal arbitrage. I'm going to show you the best way to go about withdrawing your PayPal funds. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to make sure you have a PayPal business account, which is what you see on the screen right here, and you should have funds on it. It's either you buy the funds from freelancers, or you source it from Facebook or some other platforms, or you are working on freelancing site yourself and you withdraw into your PayPal account. So once this fund is in your PayPal, then we need two more accounts in order for us to withdraw this fund in, for us to get the best rates. Okay, so the account we need is Payoneer, which is what you see on the screen. Now if you look at this section right here, you see that I've done a lot of withdrawals right here on my Payoneer account. This is what I've been doing, and this actually works, and that's why I'm bringing it to you guys. Okay, and now the next account we need is grail.co, which is this one. Okay, so if you want to create all this account, you just need to, for this Payoneer, you just need to go to payoneer.com and you sign up for an account, submit all the documents, and you have your account. While for Grail, just go to grail.co, sign up for an account, and request for your virtual account. So they are going to give you virtual account in euros, in pounds, and currently their USD offerings are limited, so they are working on their USD account, so you probably might not have access to USD now as of the time I'm making this video. But maybe let's say you're watching this video when it's resolved already, then you can go ahead to request for your USD balance. So to do that, just go to account, and you're going to see all the accounts. So this is my euros account, and you can see my Great Britain pounds account, and my USD is not here because they are working on it as of the time I'm making this video. So once you have these three accounts set up, now remember, for PayPal you need a PayPal business account. So if you don't know how to create a PayPal business account, stick around. I'm going to be dropping the video very soon. Make sure to subscribe, turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss the video. So once you have these three accounts set up, now we need to transfer this money from our PayPal into our Payoneer. Now how do we do that? First of all, we need to link our Payoneer into our PayPal. So just go to paid and get paid and go to banks and cards. So once we go to banks and card, we need to add our Payoneer bank into our PayPal. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down right here. Now if you look at this section, you see that I've added my bank already. This is from my Payoneer, and this is from Grail. So if Grail started working properly, they're going to also give you US balance, USD bank account that you can also add to your PayPal. Okay, but for now their USD account is not working, so we're going to be using Payoneer. Okay, so I've added Payoneer. For you to add a bank, just click on add a new bank and go through the process. So you just need to submit your bank name and routing number, and click on link bank. Now sometimes if you click on this link bank, it probably won't work. Okay, probably might not work. So what you need to do is to give it some time, try it again, or you contact their support. They should be able to help you to link the bank account. So once you've linked your account, now we are good to go. So now we need to transfer money from our PayPal account into our Payoneer, which is actually going to take 1 to 3 business days to drop. And once it drop, then we can now transfer the money from our Payoneer into Grail, so that we can take advantage of the rates Grail is offering. Now if you scroll down here, you're going to see the rate. They offer £1 for 730, $1 for 690, and euros is 628. So their rate here is dope, it's very sweet, and we can take advantage of that. So to transfer money now, remember we've linked our Payoneer to our PayPal, so now we need to transfer money from our PayPal into our Payoneer. Okay, now to do that, we just need to, let me allow this thing load properly. Okay, so now it's loaded properly. So now we just need to click on this transfer money. Okay, so once I click on transfer money right now, it's going to load and bring us to this screen right here, which is we select the bank. This first one is from my Grail, which has issues because Grail are still working on their USD, so I can't transfer money here. So this second one is for my Payoneer. I'll just click on it and select it, then click on next. Then it's going to ask me how much do I want to transfer out. I normally like to leave 1 cent on the account. So I'm going to say 110.44. Okay, I just, just like I can withdraw everything if I want, but I just want to leave like 1 cent in on the account. So let's say 110.44, just leaving 1 cent. Then once we are okay with that, we are fine. So just click on next, and it's going to take us to the next page, which says, yeah, okay, it's going to probably take 1 to 3 business days for the money to drop. So we are fine with that, and we'll just click on transfer the money. So once you click on transfer, it's going to load up and say, yeah, our transfer is done, and we are going to estimated arrival is 1 to 3 business days. Now once I click on done, you're going to see that we are probably left with 1 cent, the one I left. And as you can see, I have $614 on hold. So this money is on hold because the people that made the payments made it through goods and services. So I have to wait for about 7 days for the money to drop. So once the money drop, then I can withdraw it straight to my Payoneer, just like I taught you guys. So once the money is on our Payoneer, what we need to do now is to go and link our pound account we get from Grill into our Payoneer. How do we do that? Just go to withdraw and transfer and go to manage bank account. So once you click on manage bank account, you're going to see that you're going to see all the bank accounts I have linked to my Payoneer already. So you can see I have linked 3, and 3 is the maximum you can link for now. So yours might be empty, or so all you need to do is to just click on add new bank and go through the process. So what you want to link is this bank account from Grill, this pound account you get from Grill, because pound is going to give you more rate, which is 730. So all the information you need to link it is here. So just copy all this info and paste it on your Payoneer as required. Now once you do that, you just click on link and it's going to link. Okay, so now to withdraw from your Payoneer, it's very simple. You just need to if I click on withdraw and transfer and click on withdraw to bank, it's going to take me to this withdrawal page, okay, where I can easily from yeah. So guys, now that we have this dashboard, so what we want to do now is to let's say I have funds on my Payoneer already, and I want to withdraw it to my Grill. All I need to do is to select the place. So I'm going to select USD, then I'm going to select the bank that I want to withdraw the money to. So this is my pounds account that I imputed from Grill, which is this Clear Junction Limited. So this is the pounds account. So just click on it. Because I don't have any money, that's why you're seeing this error right here. But yours, once you have money up to 50 USD, then you can withdraw everything into your pounds account in Grill. Now remember, there will be some charges, so that is just good to note. So once you do that, after some hours, the money is going to drop on your Grill account, in your pounds account. So once the money drops on this pounds account, what you want to do is to swap it. Okay, just swap it to Naira. Okay, just select Naira and swap the money. Now once you swapped it, then you're going to see the balance in your Naira, just like you see here. I have 213,000 right. Okay, so this is what I did here for this money. This is what I swapped it to Naira. As you can see, this is the transaction, 200 something thousand Naira, and I've done a whole lot of transaction right here on Grill. A lot of transactions, so many. So this is how you do it. So once you have the money, now you can just easily withdraw this money to your bank account and easily. So I can withdraw this to any of my bank accounts easily without any stress. So this is the best way to go about withdrawing your PayPal funds or your Payoneer funds, or actually you doing arbitrage, buying those funds on lower and selling it on a higher rate. Okay, so I believe you enjoyed this video. If you found it interesting, make sure to subscribe to this channel. I have a lot of videos that I'm going to be dropping very soon. Subscribe please, and give this video a like, thumbs up, okay, and tell me something in the comment section if you have any questions also. So that way I'll be very happy and I'll be glad to help you. So if you want me to do any video for you, just tell me in the comment section and I'll do that for you. So thank you very much for watching this video. I believe you enjoyed it, you learned something. I'll see you guys on my next one. Thank you very much.